Welcome to our channel, The Taylors. If this is your first time watching, don't forget to just subscribe, hit that notification bell, and let's get on with the video. Hi, my name's Olivia.
Hi, I'm Red.
Hi, I'm Donavyn.
Getting all the leaves. Huh?
Hey guys!
All right, give me that here.
Hey guys!
Olivia, help him with the game. Help him tuck the leaves out. Make sure you leave it under the water. The hose under the water, okay? Olivia, you gotta show them where the leaves are. A few more. Alright, Olivia, your turn. Go get the hose. Donavyn, let Olivia do it. Leave it under the water. Leave it under the water. Let her do it for a little while, then you can do it. Take a break. Leave it under the water.
Daddy, do it!
There you go, you're getting them all. Let's see if there's any more. There's some on top, but I'll get those at the net. Look, there's some over here, Donavyn. Over here. There you go, throw them out. Down there. There you go. Let's see.
Help me get the
Right here too. In there. Get under the water. Look, right there. Down. Here you go.
Baby POLO.
Hurry up, Donavyn. I'm timing you. Get all the leaves. Just the ones on the bottom. Don't worry about the ones on top. Just on the bottom. There you go. Hurry up. I'm timing you.
Donavyn did a good job. It was all clean.
Hi guys, thanks for watching this video. Like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and see y'all guys tomorrow. Bye. So I